Can you be in love with a kitchen appliance? Because I think I am. Meet Mr. Air Fryer. And he'll make your life easy. Isn't that what every woman wants? Easy? Maybe we're hard, so we want easy. Welcome to another episode of The Master Food Artist. I'm Darlene Loves, your host, and today we are going to make French toast. So if you love delicious vegan recipes made with fresh, whole foods, then please hit the subscribe button so that you and I can get to know each other and, have a relationship. Easy relationship. In case you don't know who I am Darlene Loves, and no, I'm not a comedian as much as you might think I'm funny. Just kidding. And I have been eating a vegan diet for over 22 and a half years and raw for the past over 16 years. And I have been creating recipes and being a little chef since the age of 5. So I bring recipes to you that are delicious and nutritious. I've been also teaching people in classes about their health, about nutrition, and about how to make yummy vegan recipes that are easy and that are made with whole foods. Did I mention that before? Well, let's get started because you've probably had enough of me. Let's get on to our star, the French toast. This recipe is made with less than 10 ingredients. Now, I recommend using almond milk that you make yourself because it's just easy. It's fresh and easy. I soak almonds ahead of time so that they are sprouted, and then I freeze them. Then when I want to make a batch of almond milk, I just pull out some, put them in the blender, and go to town. With these almonds, I actually took off the skin because I was going to use them in a different recipe, and so I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy almond milk recipe. So you're going to get 2 for the price of 1 because I love you that much. To make 1 cup of fresh, creamy almond milk for the French toast recipe, you're going to add a half a cup of almonds and a cup of water and blend in a blender until creamy smooth. Then you're going to take a cheesecloth bag, or you can use even a bag from a paint strainer bag from Home Depot, and put the mixture inside of the bag and then roll it up and squeeze it really tight, and see how it's squeezing out the milk that is within and leaving the pulp in the bag. Now pour it into a container. You can use store-bought almond milk or any other kind of vegan, yummy, milky beverage. Now for our mixture for the French toast, you add a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, and then whisk the milk and the flax seeds together so that it can sit while you're adding the rest of the ingredients. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt or regular salt, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to give it that color, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I love to add a little bit of maple syrup to the mix. Just pour some in and then whisk it all together until it's thoroughly blended. Now take 4 to 6 pieces of bread. I'm using a whole wheat, walnut, raisin, cinnamon bread. Dip it in and then place it inside of that air fryer. You just put your French toast in here. You just shut this door. And when you're ready to begin, you're just going to hit 350. Seriously, is this not easy? For 10 minutes. And you'll turn it over in the middle, and this will give you perfect French toast. And then listen to this. This is what it sounds like. And then when it's done, it will beep. Look at this perfectly done French toast that did not hardly dirty anything, and I didn't have to worry about it. Versus frying in a pan, putting oil in it, then putting the French toast in the pan. If you still want to do this, you can do this. And then look at this. I mean, it's just sticking to the pan. Yuck. Pan fried versus air fryer. Pan is gone. Air fryer is in. So what's great is that you can do all kinds of baking and preparing with this amazing little machine that costs $50. This is easy. This is simple. Get yourself one and make French toast. This is the easiest French toast I've ever made. You know, I haven't liked French toast because it's been so messy and it sticks in the pan. And that's not fun. Did you enjoy that recipe? Wasn't it easy? It's quick, easy, simple. I just whipped it up, and you can just whip it up and wow, the heck out of your family. You can add all kinds of different flavorings to it. You can make an apple pie filling and put that on top of French toast, or a peach pie filling and put it on French toast. Fruit on French toast. Like, French toast is endless. You could stuff the French toast, put two pieces together, stuff it, and you can use it with gluten-free bread too, because I know that's all the craze. I don't eat any of it, but I love to make it for people I love, like my lovey. Yeah. Thank you for joining me today, and please hit the subscribe button so that you can get notifications, hit that bell, and so that every Friday you'll be reminded that I'm here to bring out the best in you and your food. So until next time, I loves you. Mwah.